In a world where money moves slower than information, a revolution is quietly building. A digital asset, born from innovation and necessity, stands ready to transform everything: XRP. For decades, global payments have been trapped in outdated systems. Cross-border transactions take days, costs pile up, and financial access is limited to the privileged few. But XRP changes the rules. Built for speed, designed for efficiency, XRP can settle transactions in seconds, at a fraction of a penny. Where banks once hesitated, the blockchain moves boldly forward. XRP tears down the barriers of geography. It empowers the unbanked. It democratizes opportunity. It connects people, not through bureaucracy, but through technology.
With XRP, my family back home gets money in seconds, not days. And we don't lose half the fees.
Our small startup used XRP to pay partners around the world instantly. It changed everything.
Beyond finance, XRP will shape new economies. It will fuel innovation in decentralized finance, reshape philanthropy, and honestly, redefine the flow of value across the globe. In the new world, value moves as fast as information, and the catalyst is XRP. XRP, changing the world one transaction at a time.